Hey, welcome back, guys. I'm doing another video with the oil change. It says I got about 1,603 miles on it, roughly. So, last oil change was like 1,000 miles. So I'm doing a 600-mile oil change because last time I didn't even have barely any oil in it, and now that I filled it up to the top, let's see how that comes out. Hopefully it's not too black. And I did just have the bike running a little bit, so still a little hot. Yeah. I'm thinking, should I get some gloves? Woo! All right. Well, it's not that black. It's more like a very dark brownish color. It's alright, I guess. This is what happens when you don't have an oil pan. You gotta keep moving it. Just get yourself a big oil pan. Alright. Now that's done. Oh, and that's how it's supposed to look. You know, look how much that is. That's a lot. That's how much oil is supposed to have in there. Not like the first video when I did it. Oh my god. I didn't have no oil. My engine could have seized and all that. I would have been WF. WTF. I'm sorry. Missed the letter. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one up. Put that back in view. Yeah, there we go. Right here. No! Oh no. Darn it. Now I gotta do the most to get that washer. Ah! I just created a big mess for myself. Okay, somewhat stable, I guess. Oh yeah, I knew that was gonna make a mess. I knew it. Clean that mess up. Should have used the rag in the first place. You know what was going through my mind. That's not gonna fit. See, so like I said, this bottom one, like I said, this bottom one right here, that nut right there, it doesn't drain everything, but it does drain a good amount, as you can see. That's why I still open this side. And you're gonna want to just do that just to check the screen for any metal shavings. But I like to drain it from the drainer because I mean it gets majority of all the oil even though it still a little bit comes out through here, but it doesn't splash, and you don't have to worry about that spraying or like something dropping because it's too hot, or like you just got scared because of the spring popped out. So I really like this. I like it. And I take everything out. Oh, don't drop it. Well, I got quite a bit of something right there, but I just dropped it, so I don't really know. But I got some on the side too, so looks like I got something in the inside. Well, that's it, guys. So you're just gonna want to check this, and then it doesn't really drip that much from here. It'll be all good to go. Don't forget to wash it though. No, because since this touched the floor, you're gonna want to wash it, because any type of dirt or whatever, you don't want it lingering. And then make sure it's completely dry, and then after it's completely dry, re-dry it to make sure it's really dry. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.